Hey everyone, Nick Como here, co-founder of aiquery.io, coming at you with yet another use case video. This one is super short, and it deals with everyone's favorite topic, error handling. Obviously, it's a joke, but it is important to understand what happens if you do get a failed query. How can you assess the reason for failure, and what actions can you take to rectify that? So we're going to walk through that here today, and we'll use this Chrome extensions audit that I have right here as an example. And if we hover over the progress bar, don't bother looking at my face, which is a little bit in the way. We can see one failed result. If we look at actions and then view details, we can see it's just pulling from the Chrome extensions table. All these are supported fields, pretty straightforward. So let's dig a little bit deeper and to try and identify the source of the failure here. So we'll dive in and then we'll look at the devices tab. Here we can see the devices it was ran against. In this case, it was just one device, which is our EC2 Win server, the operating system, and then the status, which is obviously failed. If it has failed or warning, what we can do is we can drop down and we can see here the OS query local failure log that's returned. So that's helpful, but we are named AI query after all. So let's take it one step further, utilize our namesake, hit analyze error, which allows AI to analyze this error, and then provide you the brief explanation, which here we can see the query data from the Chrome extensions table is specific to the currently logged in user session, which since it's running from our agent context, it does not have that user context. And then a fix right here would be to join the users table. So now we've quickly identified the reason for failure and a recommended fix. Let's take action and get that fix in place. So what we'll do is we'll hit edit and rerun. That'll bring us over to our create query page with all of the applicable context already applied, such as the target agent, the title, the actual SQL, the description for context. And so what we'll want to do here is use AI once again, using our refine capabilities within Querysmith. So we click refine, and then we can see over here, we have it populate the node with all the context over on the left-hand side. Now we're going to ask refine to go ahead and say, add in the users table as the primary table and hit refine. Because the issue was with user context, gather the user context, then gather the Chrome extensions and apply that to the user context. And so we can see right here, it notes the changes made, but we can very clearly see it's from users join Chrome extensions on the equivalency field of users UID equals Chrome extensions UID, which is perfect. It's exactly what we want. So we'll hit accept. Once again, we'll populate the context, updated context over here on the left. We'll give it a title, say fixed, and then we'll hit execute. So now that query is running, should be good to go. Let's pivot on over and check out the results. We can see it's currently in pending. Should give it just a second here and we should be good to go, but let's click in and check, and it's still under pending. So just a moment. And here we have success. Excellent. All right. And under response, now we can see that once failed query has returned us the information we're looking for in the first place, which is the applicable Chrome extensions. So basically in what, 20 seconds, we've gone through the whole process of we've identified a failed query, we've identified the reason for failure with AI assistance and potential resolutions. We've taken that, we've taken action on it, we've applied through the use of AI's refined capability, these suggested resolutions, reran the query, and boom, now we have the results and we should be good to go moving forward. So hopefully that was helpful, and thanks everyone. Have a great day. See ya.